In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Google Calendar ID. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to copy so you can use your Calendar ID in integrations, automations, or shared setups. Start by opening a desktop web browser and going to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in, log into the account that owns the calendar you're working with. This process is easiest on a computer. The mobile app doesn't show all the settings we need. Once your calendar view loads, look to the upper right corner and click the gear icon. That opens the Quick Settings menu. From there, choose Settings to open the full settings page. This is where Google keeps all the detailed options for each calendar. On the left sidebar, you'll see a section for your calendars. If needed, expand the list so you can see them all. Click the specific calendar whose ID you want. If you manage multiple calendars, like a primary calendar and one or more shared or secondary calendars, be sure you select the exact one you plan to integrate. The calendar ID is unique to each calendar, so picking the right one here matters. After you select the calendar, look to the main panel and scroll until you find the section labeled Integrate Calendar. Click or open that section. This area includes various connection details used by apps and services, and it's the official place where Google exposes the calendar ID. Inside Integrate Calendar, locate the field called Calendar ID. To copy it, either click the copy icon next to it or highlight the entire value and copy it manually. That value is what you'll paste into the tool or integration that requests a Google Calendar ID. If you are working with your primary calendar, the ID often looks like an email address. For secondary or shared calendars, it can be a longer string that may end with a calendar domain. Either way, the process is the same. A few tips before you go. If you don't see the calendar you need, check under your list of calendars and make sure you're selecting the correct one. If Integrate Calendar isn't visible, you might be using an account with admin restrictions. Try a different account or contact your administrator. And while the calendar ID alone doesn't show your event details, treat it carefully and only share it with trusted tools or collaborators. That's it. Open Google Calendar, go to Settings, choose your calendar on the left, open Integrate Calendar, and copy the calendar ID. Paste it where it's needed and you're done.